is Dominique O'Brien. As far as my experiences go with learning research and applying research methods, I had to take an experimental psychology course as an undergrad, and I learned a lot in that class as far as research goes. We had to come up with our own experiment and work with a partner, and we had to show how we came to our end result to either prove or disprove our hypothesis. We also use Excel for that. Now this was 4 or 5 years ago now, so I'm definitely going to need a refresher on the Excel part and how all this works. As far as making it fun to learn about research methods and such, anything that a topic that I'm interested in or passionate about would definitely make it more fun for me to want to learn and apply the research methods to what I am interested in learning. And then as far as the syllabus goes, I think in general I'm excited about mostly everything. A little nervous again about Excel. I haven't used it for quite some time now, so I definitely will need, like I said, a refresher on that. And but I'm excited that it seems like we'll be working in a group, so we can kind of help each other out. So I'm looking forward to that, and I'm looking forward to the which is it called, Agency Research Team Project. I'm looking forward to that. All of the topics seem pretty interesting, and I'm excited to see what everybody comes up with for the final project. I love working with other people, so I'm interested in finding out more about my fellow classmates and working together on the project, and just kind of learning how to apply all of this to the field. So thanks.